Good morning, students. Can you hear me? Is the PPT is visible, students? Yes. Is the my screen is visible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, students. In last class, we were seeing about the leadership qualities, and some of the approaches of leadership, and we have seen the introduction about the motivation. Yes, we have seen no motivation, how to motivate, how we motivate, how a self motivation can be done. That we have seen, and self motivation we have seen. And one more thing, once again I want to repeat that motivation because that is very important in your professional life, the motivation. So the motivation, the management is the art of getting things to be done. Yes, students, what is management? What is the meaning of management? We tell no, our college principal is so and so person, management is so and so person. We tell no, the management is nothing but a person who manages everything, a person who manages whole entire work or entire organization. So that to that person we call as a management. So management is the art of getting things to be done by others. So management people, they don't do the work, they don't do work, they'll tell others to do work. So uh, they'll they'll do the things to be done by others. So getting work done is a difficult task. It is related to human behavior. See, if somebody tell me that today you have to do this work, so it is my responsibility. I know how much capable I am to do this work, so I am confident about my work and I can do that work. If somebody tell me you should tell your students, if HOD tell me that you should tell your students to do this work, that time I'll not be confident. Why? Because I don't know whether the students will work or not. Because many times when we shout in the online class, nobody will respond. When they are so rigid, when they are so lazy to respond, then how can I take a assurance that definitely they'll do the work? So correct, no? It will be a so if the management give me any work, if my HOD give me any work, then easily yes I can say yes sir, within the given deadline definitely I will do. But when it is a dependency work, when it should be get it done by the others, when it should be get it done by my students, then I'll not be confident. Why? It will be a difficult task. Why? Because I don't know. First thing is they are not coming to college. So if they come to college physically, then I would have spoke them. I would have asked them why you are not working. So now, due to this online class, if I ask anything, they'll not respond. If I talk to them personally, they'll tell that I was having breakfast, or I was my internet connection was not good. Suddenly the connection got lost. Some reason, in number of reason, I'll tell. Correct? No. So again, it depends on the human behavior. The success of any organization depends on the behavior and the interest of the employees. Yes, definitely. The success of any organization, if you take an example of big organization, Google, Yahoo, Wipro, Satyam. So the success is not only the person who started the Google company. That is not only he cannot, he can just start the organization, but to get a success or to maintain a success, only one person, with the help, with only one person, it is not at all possible. It is a teamwork. It is a behavior and interest of a employee. Correct? No? Correct? No, students? Human behavior is the outcome of motives. So human behavior is a outcome of motives. It is needs and desires that cause and bring about motivation, which become apparently in the absurd behavior. The needs and desires causes, and it brings out the motivation. It brings out about the motivation. In order to motivate his subordinate, a manager has to find the answer to several questions. So before I give some assignment to you, so I should know what is the answer for that. Correct? No? You may tell, you one may, and I should not know that only a single answer. I should know multiple answer, because one student will refer one book, the other student will refer another book, and the third student will refer Google. In Google also so many answers will be there. But to tell that whether that answer is right or wrong, I should be knowing that several answer, which make people work. If I only don't know what is the answer, whatever the answer you give me, you submit to me, I will accept, yes, it is correct only. Correct? No? If I know what is the exact answer, then if you are doing wrong, then I can tell you whatever the answer you have written, that is wrong. You redo this work. Yes, students, I can tell now. Am I audible? Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes I'll get a confusion whether connection lost or what. Why some persons perform better than others? Because they are more. Sometimes both are same. Both talent is same, but one person will perform better than others, because maybe because of his laziness, carelessness, not punctual. So there are a number of reasons. But sometimes, though both the persons, a person have equal knowledge, one will be better than the other. Why does the same individual act differently at different times? It depends on the situation. Now, I may act one thing in one way, and when you meet after the class, when we meet casually, I may not be the same, because in the class we have to follow some rules and some decorum we have to follow. The same thing will not be outside the class. Yes, students, understood? Motivation meaning. The term motivation has been derived from motive. The term motivation what is motive? Yes, students, what is motive? Motive is nothing but a reason to do some work, a reason for doing something, a reason, because I want to score more than more than who is a topper of last semester. I want to score more marks than that person. So that is a motivation. So last time the other person was a topper. Now I want this semester I want to become a motivate. I want to become a topper. So that is a motivation. So the term motivation has been derived from the word motive. The motive is anything that initiate or sustain activity. The motive is anything that initiates, that starts the activity. Motivation may be defined as the work a manager performs in order to induce subordinate to act in a desired manner by satisfying their needs and desire. Thus, motivation is concerned with how behavior gets started, is energized, sustained, and directed. So, is concerned with how the behavior gets started, energized, sustained, and the directed. So, motivation is nothing but how the manager works, how the manager performs in order to influence the subordinate by seeing the work of a manager. The subordinate or the other employee should think that yes, how my manager is working, how enthusiastically he is working, how energetically he is working, and how in the proper direction is he is working. Like that only work even I should work like that. The subordinate should get motivation from the manager. Motivation is a general inspirational process which gets the members of a team to pull their weight effectively, to get their loyalty to the group, to carry out properly the task that they have accepted, and generally to play a effective part in the job that group has undertaken. So the more I just now I told that last semester the other person was topper. So by seeing that person marks, I got motivated. I got the inspiration why only every time he or she has to come topper. This time even my marks is not less than that person. Maybe 5 or 10 marks difference will be there. So so that I have to take as an inspiration. So I have to work towards the success. So motivation is a general inspiration process which gets the members to pull their members to the team to pull their weight effectively. So to pull the work to be done effectively, to give loyalty to the group. Loyalty is nothing but work with a honesty for the group and complete all the tasks which is given by the manager. Of that definitions. What is the nature of motivation? Yes, students, these points are very much important, whatever I'm discussing today. Yes, are you listening? Students, are you listening?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So next we have the nature of motivation. So the nature of motivation, unending process. What is unending? Ending means stop working. Ending means stop working, no? Ending means stop ending. So, sometimes what we feel that is this project should get over. Once this project completes, then I want to take 10 days of leave and I want to work. I want to take rest for 10 days. Yes, correct. No, we'll think that we should work towards the ending process. We should work towards the ending process. Why? Because we don't want to work continuously. First, let me complete this assigned project. Once the assigned project completes, then I want to take 10 days of leave. Let me enjoy for 10 days. Then after enjoying for 10 days, later I will come to the class. I mean, I'll come to the company. So that thinking should not be there. Unending process. Okay, let this project completed now. Next, I want to immediately, I should start working with the new project because I want to show my talent. I want to earn money. I don't want to waste the I don't want to waste time. That is unending process. A physiological concept. We have to work towards the physiological concept. The whole individual is motivated. The whole individual should be motivated by themselves and by seeing their surrounding. Motivation may be financial or non-financial. Definitely motivation will be the main thing. Everybody needs money. Yes, students, all are working for the money only, no? Correct? Is there any person who works 24 hours in a day and they don't want money? No. Nobody will be like that. Nobody will be like that. So motivation may be, and some person, if they have more money, they want to help the society. So they are to help the needy people. So they work. So the motivation may be financial or non-financial. Frustrated man cannot be motivated already because of some issue. He may be that person is in tension. He's frustrated. So the frustrated by seeing the frustrated man will not get any motivation. Correct? No. By seeing the successful man will get a motivation. Goals are motivators. See, first, before we get motivation or inspiration from others, first we should decide some goal. We should fix some goal. Those goals are itself motivation for us. Correct? No, those goals are I in within a in 2 years, in or in if as a fresher, if I join to one company, then that I my goal should be in 2 years I should get promotion, or in 1 year I should show my talent. I should perform, and I should work properly, and I should do all the assigned work within the given time, and I should get a promotion. So if that is my goal, that goal is itself become a motivation for us. Unifying forces. What, anybody know what is unifying? Unique, uniform, the whole. Unifying is nothing but the whole. The whole. We should we should motivate the whole team. And the motivation can be positive or negative. Yes, the motivation will be both positive and negative. The motivation will be both positive and it will have both positive and negative impact. Motivation and job satisfaction both are different. Can anybody tell me what is motivation and satisfaction? How both are different? Yes, Sunil? What is motivation and what is satisfaction? So motivation is nothing but the motivation we get by seeing the others and by seeing the environment and by seeing our goal, we get motivated. Job satisfaction, once we complete the given task, whatever the given task or assigned task for us, so then we will be satisfied. We will be satisfied. Yes, within the given time, I have done this work. I have completed this work. So both are different. Importance of motivation. Higher efficiency. The importance of motivation is higher efficiency, optimum utilization of resources, reduction in labor turnover, better industrial relation, easier selection, and facilitate changes. These are all the importance of motivation. So we should work. What is efficiency? We have to work. Correct. We have to with a proper given time with a good work we have to work. So we have to show the higher efficiency and the optimum utilization of our resources. Unlimitedly we should not use the resources. How much ever is necessary, only that much we have to use the resources. And reduction in the labor turnover, simply we should not charge so much to the labor. And better industrial relation, we should have a good relationship with the industrial person, those with other industrial person. And easier selection, the selection process should be easy and facilitate changes. Whatever the changes we will be there, we should facilitate. Yes, this is important, students. Yes, students, can you see this diagram? Can you see this picture? What is that picture? You cannot see the picture? Yes, students, can you see the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
What it is?
Techniques of motivation.
I am asking this diagram. Down diagram is there. One photo is there. Image is there. No, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am, we can see
This
that.
one. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
He is an employee. He is a manager, and the down person is employee. The manager is sitting on employee, and what he is doing? He's showing the carrot. He's showing the carrot. He's showing he's doing as if he will give that carrot to him, and to eat that carrot, to move forward, he has to move forward. Correct? No, he's moving that carrot. He has a stick and the rope. With that, he has tied the carrot and he's moving the carrot, and to move towards the carrot, he's with the stick. He's hitting, like to donkey how we or to buffalo or to cow how we to move in a to move forward how we hit no in a bullock cart. Yes. Yes, students. Getting the diagram. See, what is a carrot here? If he moves, he'll get a prize. The carrot is like some prize he is getting, or some reward he is getting, some gift he is getting. Correct, no? So here, I know you will not respond. So here in this diagram, students, a manager is sitting on the employee and he's showing a carrot. Means he is showing some gift. If you move, I'll give you the gift. Sometimes to with the kids we play, no, if you come, I'll give you chocolate. Correct? Similarly, here a manager is working with the employee. A manager is working the same carrot and stick approach will be approached for a motivation. If you participate in running competition, then I'll give a memento. Yes, to get memento, I will participate. Correct, no, students? To get memento, I will participate in the running competition. If if no prize is given, not only cash prize, if no memento or if no certificate is given in running competition, then nobody will participate. Everybody will be having a desire. If here similarly, here a manager is telling the employee, if you do this work, I will give you a carrot as a reward. If you are not working, then I will hit you. I will hit you with a stick. That is a punishment. Correct, no? Yes, students, is it right? So this approach is nothing but carrot and stick approach. Here, a carrot is nothing but a reward after completion of a task. When you come first in the running, then definitely you will get a reward. That is some memento or cash prize or some certificate. Similarly, in the organization also, if you complete the work or if you complete the task in a given time, then you will get some reward. You will get some increment. You'll get a increment. Here in this diagram, the reward is nothing but a carrot. The reward is nothing but a carrot. If you are not getting any reward, then when you will not get a reward, when you are not working, then you will not get a reward. If you don't work, then you will not get a reward. If you don't get a reward, then you'll be punished. If you are not doing a work within the given time, then you will be punished. So same thing is there in the carrot and stick approach to motivation. This approach is based upon the old beliefs that the best way to get the work from a person is to put a reward. Yes, definitely. This is from olden days. We are following that to get it done. So yeah, to get it done, any work from the employee or any work from the students, we have to tell them you will get a reward. If I tell you to submit an assignment, if I give you 10 questions and submit the assignment in 1 week, then nobody will submit. If I tell you, if you submit the assignment, I'll give you 10 marks. See, I am telling you, you will get a reward. What reward you will get? You will get some marks. So because of marks, you will submit the assignment. If I tell you, if you do a project, then I'll give you cash prize. Then because of that cash prize is nothing but a reward. That cash prize is nothing but a reward. I may tell if I get 100% result, then I will treat you. The treat is nothing but a reward. So from the olden days, we are following that mm, if anything, any work to be get it done, then we have to give a reward. Otherwise, they don't work. If you call any labor, you tell him to work something, then definitely he'll not work. Instead of 50 rupees, if you tell him I'll give you 100 rupees, then he will start working. So everywhere this reward system is happening, students, in our daily life also. If I tell my kid to do her homework, she will not do. If I tell her, if you do the homework, I will order pizza for you, then she will start working. She will start doing the homework. So this, because of that reward, because something she is getting after doing that work. Similarly, in the office also, in the organization also, if they complete the work, they will get some reward. They'll get some increment or some incentive they'll get. So salesperson, every time if they sell some product, then every month they'll get a salary. If they are selling more than the deadline, 10 is a minimum product they have to sell. So if they are selling more than 10, then definitely they'll get some reward. They'll get some incentive. Because of that reward, because of that incentive, the person will work towards the person will work. That getting reward is nothing but the motivation. So this approach is based upon the olden belief that the best way to get work from a person is to put a reward before him. That is, reward is before him. Yes. So to get that, see, a small kid, my daughter, to get the pizza, so she will work. Correct, no? Similarly, a person, because I'm putting that pizza in front of her, I'm showing that. So you see, if you complete your work in a given in half an hour, then you will get a chocolate. So that chocolate I'm putting in front of her, and I'm telling this reward you will get. Similarly, in the company also, they'll see this carrot as a reward, and they will start working to get the carrot. So this is stick and carrot approach. And I'll tell her, if you don't complete your homework in given time, then I will beat you. So that punishment she will get. So before him or to hold out the threat of punishment, to hold the threat of punishment, we use stick. Carrot is a reward for working, and stick is a punishment for not working. Yes, students, understood? This is very important approach. This approach definitely in future, in future also you will get this, and in the current situation, I think you have this experience. Correct, no? You have this experience. Some other techniques also are there for leadership. Monetary incentive, job-based technique, MBO technique, leadership technique, and sensitive technique. There are some other techniques for the motivation. Theories of motivation. Some of the popular theories of motivations are there. That is a need priority model, two-factor theory, theory X and theory Y, theory Z, motivational model, Coit theory, expectancy theory, analysis, transaction analysis. These are some of the theories of motivation. One by one, we'll see in the next class. Yes, students, if I complete this next class, I'll complete the syllabus. So if I still 20 minutes time is there. So if I start that topic, so today only I can complete. But if I complete the syllabus today, then Monday nobody will come. So I don't want that to happen. So I'll not complete my syllabus today. I'll see Monday or Tuesday I'll complete, because once I complete the syllabus, then nobody will come. Now only you can see the strength in the beginning of in the beginning how many students were there. Now how many students are there? Yes, why no nobody is responding also if I ask any question? Not interested. End of the semester. Hardly in 1 hour class, the syllabus is getting over.
Mom, if you complete early and give us some free time, we could study, right, Mom, instead of dragging it.
Yeah, I know, I know, but we have to engage the classes, no, Srinivas. See, engaging class and without students' response, what is the use? We cannot leave. That's why I thought of doing some activity, that group discussion activity and leadership, how to improve the leadership quality. That activity I wanted to do. But if for activity also many are not responding. I should forcibly I should call the student's name and I should tell them. We will see what HOD will say, because once I think most of the subject syllabus completed, no?
Yes, ma'am. Even cybersecurity is completed, and ma'am is not taking any classes.
Ma'am is not taking
No, ma'am.
okay. Okay, let me complete this topic Monday, and from after that I'll talk to HOD and I'll let you know.
Okay, ma'am.
But 1 or 2 activities I want to do on group discussion and leadership. That those activity I have to do, because um, this is a professional communication course, no? So with the so we have to show the activities also in this subject. Actually, I thought of seminar. I thought of telling you all to do seminar, but nobody. I sent a Google sheet for seminar, so nobody's filled any topic for that. Excel sheet I have sent, no. So let me do the activity, at least 1 or 2 activity.
Okay.
Ma'am, when is the last working day?
Yes.
When is the last working, ma'am? Working
Still
day.
we don't know, because due to this pandemic again, from offline classes we came back to online classes. No, so still we have not get the confirmed last working day from VTU.
Okay, ma'am.
How many of you not submitted the assignment? I gave 10 days time. Even after giving 10 days time for 6 questions, 6 or 8 questions. Even after giving so many days, many are submitting late answers. So many late submissions are there. And still 5 students have not submitted only. Neelanjan, Dev, Ashok, Abhinav, Srinidhi. Ashok,
Yeah, ma'am.
have you submitted?
No, ma'am. I have to submit.
Why?
Um,
Hmm?
Monday I will submit, ma'am.
Monday. To write 6 questions, you need 15 days time for 6 questions.
Ma'am,
Abhinav,
I'm facing some.
Students, I'll take attendance 1 minute. Answer and attendance. Asta,
Yes, ma'am.
already you have shortage, and again you're not attending regularly. Why you are absent for last class? Abhinav,
Ma'am, I was having network issue. I was joining and I was leaving the this class.
Abhinav, Aishwarya,
Present, ma'am.
Amrish,
Yes, ma'am.
Anu, Anu, Arbaz, Arjun.
Present, ma'am.
Why you submitted late assignment?
Ma'am, I thought it is till 12 o'clock it will be there. So I didn't saw last time, ma'am. 4 o'clock actually it was.
Benita,
Ma'am, Ashok
Present,
present,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ashok,
Present, ma'am.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇತ್ತು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ವಾಯ್ಸ್.
no.
ಬೆನಿಟಾ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇರಿ 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಕರಿತೀನಿ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟೆಲ್ ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್. ವೇಟ್ ಭಾರ್ಗವಿ. ಭವಿಷಾ,
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಚೈತ್ರ,
Present, ma'am.
ದೇವ್,
Present, ma'am.
ದೀಕ್ಷಾ,
Present, ma'am.
ದೇವ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
Deeksha, present, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
No, ma'am. I'm not absent. Actually, my mic was not working, ma'am. That's why I text you, ma'am.
ದೀಕ್ಷಾ,
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
ದೀಪಿಕಾ ಎಲ್,
Present, ma'am.
ದೀಪಿಕಾ ಎಂ,
Present, ma'am.
ಮುರಳಿ,
Present, ma'am.
ಗಂಗೂಬಾಯಿ,
Present, ma'am.
ಗುಡಿಯಾ,
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹರ್ಷಿತ್,
Present, ma'am.
ಜುಂಜರ್, ಕಾವ್ಯ,
Present, ma'am.
ಕಿಶೋರ್,
Present, ma'am.
ಲತಾ, ಲತಾ, ಮನೀಷಾ,
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್,
Yes, ma'am.
ನಯನಾ.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Why last class absent, Nayana?
ಮನೆ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಜೆ.
Neelanjan? Nishant?
Present, ma'am.
Pavitra?
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Maithili?
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Priyanka?
Present.
Pavan?
Present, ma'am.
Akash,
Present, ma'am.
Rajeshwari,
Present, ma'am.
Rakesh,
Present, ma'am.
Akash.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can walk. No, you when you
Yeah.
walk, you will not feel any tiredness.
No, ma'am. No, I'm better now.
Okay, okay. You can speak
Earlier it
also.
was. Yeah, yeah. Now I can speak. Yeah, ma'am.
Oh no, any pain is there?
No, ma'am. Like 2 weeks back, ma'am. It all happened. Whatever you're saying, not
Mm-hmm.
now.
No. Ramya,
Present, ma'am.
Rashmi,
Present, ma'am.
Ravi Shankar.
Yes, ma'am.
Ravi Shankar, why you sent your assignment? Why you mailed your assignment to me? Have you not seen the GCR link?
Ma'am, it's first assignment, ma'am.
Huh?
It's first assignment, ma'am. I've
Who
second
told you
assignment
to
I sent.
submit the first assignment? Rizwan?
Present, ma'am.
Rizwan and Vishal, they are joining only for attendance. Many are there, but daily I am observing the Rizwan and Vishal. Vishal,
Present, ma'am.
Savita,
Yes, ma'am.
Shruti,
Present, ma'am.
Sneha,
Yes, ma'am.
Spurti,
Present, ma'am.
Srinidhi, Srinidhi, Srinivas,
Present, ma'am.
Sunil,
Present, ma'am.
ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸುನಿಲ್?
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnavi,
Present, ma'am.
last class absent.
Yes, ma'am.
Vinny,
Present, ma'am.
you also last class absent. See students, can you see here? See 5 students still they have not submitted the assignment. Abhinav, Ashok, Dev, Nilanjan and Srinidhi. And out of 50 students, many are late submission. Arbas, Arjun, Junjar, Lata. These students are late submission and 5 students still they have not submitted. You students, in next class I'll complete the syllabus and in 1 or 2 activities I want to do. One group discussion. Already I have done group discussion, but one more group discussion activity and one leadership. What is on leadership is here we are learning the qualities of leadership. So based on the situation, based on the scenario, how the leader will work. So that activity I want to do. So 2 activities I want to do, students. Okay, I'll stop here, students. See you in the next class.